My mom lost her holiday spirit. Freaking Santa Claus in her burn pile. Merry Christmas. Good thing is, it's cold, no snakes. Oh my God, go! Oh, she's gonna flip this thing. There's so much crap out here. It's ridiculous. Look at all this. Show it. All this got a pickup left up by Dad, so we got to sort it out. What's good, bad, trash. I'm gonna grab this gate. Well, we got one small load of metal junk. Now we're getting the wood all loaded up, and then we got to get some more wood here. You can see we got an old 283 block. Got a lot of wood here. A lot of wood tangled up in that. Got some big pipe over there. You can see. Got some more sheet metal, some rolled stuff that actually growed up into a tree, and then just a lot of loose pieces, and then of course these big posts. You know, got to bust concrete off of them, get them out. And then we also have all this roll of chain link, and if you can see, it actually grew up into the tree. The tree grew right through it, so I'm gonna have to get some cutters and cut that out. The stuff's been back here for so long. So we'll get some cutters out and get that handled, and we'll get on to the next one. We've got all this wood right here to get as well. But we're getting there. Hopefully we'll just keep after it. All right, so a little update. I got a little junk pile there. I still got my big pipes. I'm gonna come back and get those. You can see another one over there. But as you can tell, I do have another huge load, from the same spot. But I've got wood underneath, metal on top. A couple things I want to say, but most part, it'll be going to one of our burn piles, and this metal will save for reuse. Well, got down here, it's not too wet. It is wet. I'm a little worried about backing out where I came from. It's sloppy. Hopefully we'll make it all right. You can see quite a bit of tracks there where they've been kind of coming in and out, doing some fence work. But we did make it down to the old brush pile, so we'll get this thing unloaded and head back up to the house. Get some more junk. This is my mom's brush pile that she started, so it's gotten quite big. We just waited really for everything to die out, get some more rain in so we could actually burn it. We've actually set this field on fire by accident once, and it's not a good deal. It goes pretty quick. But now that it's, you know, winter, had lots of rain, we should be able to set this thing on fire and get it cleaned up. But I did notice my mom lost her holiday spirit. Freaking Santa Claus in her burn pile. Merry Christmas. And then look over here. Freaking look. Oh my goodness. And right there. I don't know what's the matter with her. Dadgum. Hope she don't flip this thing. That's a big old piece of concrete. All right, go ahead and back up and smooth it out. That's perfect. I wish you already had the pipe up, but basically the pipe will go from here all the way across with that line. And then we'll have hinges basically made that will go over the pipe. And so on here where the holes are, we'll mount 2x4s, and those 2x4s will be able to slide on the pole like that. They'll have keepers on each side, but they'll be able to, you know, flip back and forth with the water, with the current, and it always maintains a, you know, a solid block there. So that'll be pretty cool. I mean, we shouldn't have to worry about that anymore. Gotta get the cattle panel. Are you ready to pull it?
Yeah. I think that stick was dug through the cattle panel into the ground. I think that's what was holding it up. Hopefully.
I take this too close and we'll see if we can get it one more time. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was that stupid stick.
Alright. Do we want to put it back over there?
I guess.
You know, I don't have a... Alright. At least the creek's down quite a bit, thank God.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
You see that one?
That's a raccoon. I hope one. I'm sure they've been coming up and down through here.
I'm sure.
Well, at least we got the panel out. Well, hopefully he makes it pretty good with the rest of that.
The problem is that at some point when you get rid of all this, it'd be nice if you could build a fire down here.
Well, we'll probably have to take and cut it up and just get it out. Yep. I can't believe I got water in my boot. Look how big that log is, though.
Yeah, it's huge.
There's a big old tree. It's surprising that it even was hanging in there. Look at all them roots. But if it didn't come down, it would have eventually.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway. But it should make it real nice up here.
That was a workout. I thought we were just coming down here to look.
Well, hopefully this will work good. I'm really hoping this is stable enough, and you know, once we get the boards across there, that'll do real good. Let them flop back and forth and float.
Yeah, that's a huge creek crossing right there. What are you doing? Huh? Ah, ah.